can you get both SSDI and SSI disability benefits? Can you claim both of the benefits like SSI and SSDI together? Well, are you confused about your social security benefits? Well, you are not alone. With so many acronyms and terms thrown around, it can be very tough to keep track of what's what. But did you know that you may be eligible for both SSDI and SSI together? Well, that's right, you heard it right. You can receive two different benefits from Social Security Administration in this scenario. Well, certainly, if you are watching this video, then probably you are struggling to make your end meets due to the disability and some limited income. And you already know the inflation, the pressure of the inflation, the rising cost of the goods and services, even the groceries and stuff like that. But did you know that you may be eligible for two different payments from the Social Security benefits? First one, SSI, and also your SSDI payment. And definitely, if you are eligible for both of those payments, don't miss out on the financial support that you definitely deserve. We'll be going to check out how this program exactly works together and who can able to receive both SSI and SSDI benefits together. So guys, without further ado, let's jump right into all the important details. However, quickly before we start this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel How To Guys with all the bell notification turn on, whether it's the Social Security benefit schedule, SNAP emergency PBT benefit, latest stimulus update, updates regarding Social Security Expansion Act, pretty much all the details related to your benefits, raises to your benefits. We have got everything, so be sure to check this out onto our channel and also check out the February payment schedule for the SSI and SSDI. And without further ado, let's jump right into all the important details. Alright guys, so are you struggling to make your end meet due to the disability and limited income? Well, definitely you are not alone. There are many people basically on fixed income, low income are facing the same exact situation. But did you know that you may be eligible for two different Social Security benefits? You can claim SSDI and SSI benefits together. And well, let's check it out who is exactly eligible to receive both of those benefits together. And definitely you don't want to miss out this important financial support from Social Security. You deserve this money, you should receive that one. Alright guys, so let's check it out. Can you receive both SSDI and SSI disability benefits together? Well, let's check it out. Well, yes, you can receive the Social Security Disability Insurance, formerly known as SSDI, and your Supplemental Security Income, that is SSI payment together at the same time. Yes, it's totally possible. Now, Social Security uses the term concurrent when you qualify for both of those disability benefits as per the Social Security Administration. Now, well, the answer is yes, you can receive SSDI and SSI benefits together. But now the important question is, who can qualify for these benefits together? Now, drawing SSDI benefits can reduce your SSI payment, so that's the important takeaway, or make you ineligible for one of the benefits. So that's the important takeaway for qualifying for both of those benefits. Either you can reduce your SSI payment while doing so, or you can make yourself ineligible for one of the benefits. So that's important takeaway. Now, that's due to the differences in the programs, their intent, and the eligibility criteria. Both SSDI and SSI provide the benefit to people who meet the Social Security's definition of disability. So you need to meet the very important criteria, that is the disability. You must qualify as a disabled one as per the Social Security Administration. It means a physical or mental health condition severe enough to prevent you from doing most of the work for at least a year. So that's their definition. But guys, remember that SSDI provides payments to disabled people regardless of their financial situation. And speaking of the qualification, well, qualification is tied to how long you are employed in the work for which you have paid your Social Security taxes, and the payments amount are based on your average lifetime earnings. Now guys, speaking of the SSI on other hand, well, this one is need-based program, so it pays the benefits to people who are disabled, blind, and at least 65 years old and have low incomes. And last, they also need to have limited financial resources. And SSI is unrelated to your employment history, and you can receive SSI even if you never worked or paid Social Security taxes. But you can't get your SSI if your Social Security calls your countable income and that countable income exceeds a federally set threshold. Now for SSI in 2023, the threshold is $914 a month for individuals and $1,371 for couples. So these are some important threshold for SSI recipient. Basically, those figures are also the maximum SSI federal standard payment. Simultaneously, these are your thresholds as well. Now, Social Security considers considered SSDI and other benefit payments to be countable but exempts $20 a month from that tally. So therefore, if you get an SSDI benefit that exceeds $934, then you don't qualify for the SSI benefit. So that's the important takeaway, guys. If you get an SSDI benefit which exceeds $934, then in that scenario you don't qualify for the SSI benefit. So that's important thing. Now if your SSDI payments is less than that, if your SSDI payment is less than $934, then you may be able to get your SSI payment, but remember it will be reduced by most of the amount of your SSDI benefit. So there is always a both side of the coins, so you have to exactly assess your exact situation. Everybody's situation is different. While you can claim both of those benefits together, but they can adversely affect each other. So that's important thing. Now for example, let's suppose you qualify for SSI and for SSDI benefit of $500, and now with the $20 exemption, Social Security will reduce your SSI by $480. Therefore you'd still get $500 a month in your SSDI and $434 in SSI. Now how do we have calculated $434? Well, it's $914 minus $480. Now what is the benefit of getting both SSDI and SSI? Given that your combined benefits are effectively capped by SSI maximum, what is the value of drawing both of the benefits? Well, one thing, if you qualify for low SSDI benefit because you had a low wage job or work only for a short time before becoming a disabled person, then SSI can be an additional income source until you are able to get back to the work. Also another thing, there is a waiting period for SSDI. Benefits start in the 6th month after the date on which Social Security determines you become disabled, so there is no such gap with the Supplemental Security Income. So you could draw a full SSI benefits while waiting for your SSDI to kick in. And well, the concurrent claim can also help you with your healthcare, and SSDI recipients are eligible for Medicare, but in most of the circumstances the coverage doesn't begin until you have begun getting benefits for 24 months. So therefore SSI recipient in most of the states automatically qualify for Medicaid, which could help you cover your health costs while waiting for a Medicare to start. And actually once it starts, you may be able to stay in Medicaid, which covers some costs which Medicare does not cover. Now remember, you can apply for the concurrent benefits online by phone call or right here into the Social Security office. They also provide you the disability checklist and also assist you in gathering materials so you can easily apply. And SSI process will require direct interview with Social Security representative, which can be also done by phone. Now one thing you should keep in mind, guys, along with the SSDI benefits, income from work and other sources can be used to determine SSI eligibility and the payments, and the rules for what counts and what doesn't counts are complicated. So Social Security's SSI website has a detailed page on the income rules. Right here onto this page provided by Social Security Administration, you can check it out, all the exact eligibility process, what is considered as income, what does not count for SSI, and they have got all the important details covered right over here. I will drop down the link in the description below. And how your income will affect your benefits, they have also given the calculation, all the exact details, how your SSI and SSDI benefits will be impacted. I would highly recommend you should go through all the important details. And also one thing you should note though, guys, eligible individuals cannot connect Social Security retirement and Social Security disability insurance at the same time. However, an individual is allowed to receive SSDI and Supplemental Security Income benefits concurrently. So if you believe that if you qualify for both SSDI and SSI, you want to compare the monthly benefits and to see which one will give you the most money, and you should go out for that one first of all. I'm pretty sure, hope you found this video helpful, so make sure to smash that like button. That really helps us pushing out all these videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel How To Guys with all the bell notification turn on. Do check out thousands of videos related to benefits and raises to our benefits onto our channel. And this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.